To use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S26, for example, like in my case, you have to start by opening the settings. Now you will have to scroll down for General Management, open a Samsung keyboard settings, and now you have to go below for voice input. Now select if you want to use Samsung or Google. I can personally recommend you to go for the Google voice typing. In my opinion, it's more accurate than the Samsung one. Now make sure that you are gonna go back from this one 2 times, and now you have to go for keyboard settings where you can find Google voice typing, and make sure that you are gonna turn that on. Now open the Google voice typing. What I can recommend you, if you use the offensive words, just turn it off because it will be not recognized when you let it be enabled, and pick the language of your voice typing. So in my case it will be English from United States. Click save. Now you have to also remember that the voice typing only works when you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if there will be time that you are offline and you want to make some notes, well, you will be not able to do this until you set up offline speech recognition. So make sure that your language is downloaded, like in my case, as you can see, I've got English downloaded. So right now also what is important, make sure that you enable to get automatic updates of your English language. And in the advanced settings, you can just make sure that it's already downloaded. So now, when you open the keyboard and you want to use the voice typing, you have to just click on this icon in the left bottom corner, and now you can say whatever you want and it should be automatically transferred into the text. And in this case, we can only put 100 characters because it's a search bar, but if you open the notes, you can say how much you want. And this is everything for this video. I hope you find it useful.